In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare stocks in Yahoo Finance charts. Start by opening your web browser and going to finance.yahoo.com. You'll land on the Yahoo Finance homepage, which shows a market overview and, most importantly for us, a prominent search bar at the top. That search bar is your gateway to any stock, ETF, or index you want to analyze. Type the ticker symbol you want to start with into the search bar. You don't need to worry about uppercase letters, and you'll see suggestions appear as you type. Choose the correct listing from the drop-down so you're taken to that asset's quote page. This page includes the current price, news, and a small chart. To get the comparison tools, switch into the full featured visualization by selecting Advanced Chart. This option sits near the small chart on the quote page. The advanced view opens a larger, interactive chart with more controls across the top and sides, which is where the comparison feature lives. Once the advanced chart loads, look toward the top right area of the chart interface for the compare control. The label can vary slightly based on screen size, but it's positioned with the other chart tools in that upper right cluster. Click Compare. A search field will appear for adding another symbol to the same chart. Here's why this is useful. The Compare feature overlays performance lines so you can quickly see how two assets move relative to each other over the same time period. Yahoo Finance typically normalizes these lines to percentage change, making it easier to judge which one is outperformed without being misled by different starting prices. Type the ticker symbol you want to compare against your first symbol into that field. As you type, suggestions will populate beneath the box. This includes stocks, ETFs, and major indexes. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact match you want, especially if multiple listings share similar names or trade on different exchanges. Click the correct symbol from the suggestions. The chart will refresh and add a second line in a different color. You'll also see a legend that indicates which color corresponds to which ticker. Hover your cursor over the chart to view precise percentage changes at any point in time and to confirm the comparison is aligned to the same date range. That's it. You've successfully added a comparison in Yahoo Finance's advanced chart. Use this view to spot relative strength, see how assets track each other, and make more informed observations without leaving the page.